So most of you must be aware that the Government of India recently announced health insurance coverage for everyone who's above 70 years of age under the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. This coverage is over and above the coverage of 5 lakh that is available to the economically weaker section families. And the coverage is extended to everyone irrespective of their economic status. In this video, let's see how you can enroll your family members who are above 70 years of age in the scheme. So first, you go to the website beneficiary.nha.gov.in. Once there, you fill in these details on the site. Remember, the mobile number you enter on the screen need not be the beneficiary you're trying to enroll. Here, I am punching my own mobile number. Now once inside, you have to click on the link that says click here to enroll. You'll be routed to the screen that you see now. Now this is where you punch the Aadhaar number of the beneficiary. You leave the family ID blank and hit search. Now since your family member is not already enrolled in the scheme, the search will throw no results found. You click on the click here button for fresh enrollment. You will be guided inside the eKYC zone that has the family member's Aadhaar. Verify and provide your consent for enrollment by clicking the yes checkbox. You will be prompted for 2 OTPs now. One would come to the mobile number of the person whose account we've used to log in, and the other would come to the family member we're trying to enroll. Once you've punched both the OTPs, another dialog box will pop up that would ask you if you are already a beneficiary under any of the schemes. You can click the choice that is appropriate to you. If you're not a beneficiary of any of the schemes, just click none of the above. You'll now come to the screen where some of your details would have been populated, but you will also need to fill in some other details. These are your current address details. After you've filled in the address details, you will need to fill in if you would want to add any other family member in the scheme. Now this family member need not necessarily be above 70 years of age, but you can still add them. Once you've punched in their Aadhaar details, those would be recorded. Finally, you will also need to get their photograph captured in real time. And once that is done, you hit the add member and then click submit. You'll see a message that says eKYC is complete and that you can now download your cards in real time. Okay, now let's see if our cards are ready. So we log in again, we follow the same process, and voila, our cards are ready to download. See, only the card for the person who's above 70 years has been generated.